So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a price Pfister cartridge, and so this is the 974-042, and that's what we use right there. Anywhere, you can get these anywhere, but so that's the new one that's installed. You can see the old one sitting right here, and so yeah, he's in here. So this had failed. So this is the volume control, and then of course this is the diverter section, or the mixing portion. So this had failed. We weren't getting hot water where we needed it. It was spiking about halfway up to hot, and then warm water back and forth. So anyway, so that's been resolved. We want to get a picture of that cartridge in there before we put the trim back on. Got it all cleaned up, put some silicone on there. I'll take another video just in a sec. So we have the trim back on, cover plate's back on. It's got its own foam gasket around the back, and then of course this piece here, that's what keeps the big trim plate on. So it just screws on to the cartridge and it retains this plate and keeps it snug to the wall. So it's got a foam gasket behind there. We like to put a little silicone around it. So you've got all the way down to the bottom. Some of the bottom's open, but the main thing is any water rolling down the wall, you don't want it to get behind this plate because it will get in behind your wall and cause problems back there. So additionally, you can see this little piece right here is split, and so it's supposed to be a circle that looks almost, it looks like that. It's supposed to be together, and what it does is supposed to seal. When you screw this on, you can see there's a little ridge, and this little white plastic is supposed to sit up against the plate, and that's what seals water. Well, it's broken. Don't have one, so can't replace it. We did go ahead and put some silicone on that. So, you know, in the future when you go to change a cartridge, it's just going to be some silicone there. It'll still unscrew. It's still serviceable, still functions, but we did need to seal that. Additionally, we put some down here in the tub spout as well. Anytime you have one of these handheld sprayers, the tendency is what happens over a period of time, it starts getting loose. Either in this assembly where it screws on, or in this assembly where it pivots, or here, anywhere. Water ends up rolling down this wall, and what happens, it rolls down. And it goes, if there's any openings at all on this, even where you have these little recessed these grooves right here around the plate, it'll get behind there. So it's sealed, the mounting nut is sealed, tub spout is sealed. So everything looks good here. Everything's functioning correctly. Outside of that, this installation is done.